してるより愛してることを伝える言葉がないのは
Hello there, Ma Terry here along with her fabulous co-star Miss Lucy, and boy we have an interesting one for you guys today. This is a follow-up on mail call. Now then, for those of you that want to send me cards and letters, yay, because you know I love cards and letters, my address is below, and I really enjoy that. My gosh, because you know, number one, I do these videos for nothing. You know, they're not monetized, but the other thing is man, I'm going brain dead. I do these videos to help you guys. I really do. And I hope you get a lot out of it. But sometimes my life goes off the rails. You know, all of a sudden you have a smashed window from a gardener with a rock and you feel like crying and you're out $500 and you're like, oh. But your cards and letters really cheer me up. Anyhow, about a month ago, we did a mail call with Catkin. And you may remember this mysterious product. They're Earth Breeze laundry detergent liquid eco sheets, and I'm like, does it work? Does it really work? So a couple weeks ago I was over at Miss Karen's, and Miss Karen has a teeny tiny little washing machine and a teeny tiny little dryer, and she's like, all right Terry, but don't put in a lot of laundry detergent. So you know, and I didn't have laundry detergent, all I had was this. So I was pleasantly surprised. Now this is a half sheet and you can see how flimsy it is. Smells really good, but you can also ate these. You can make these as tiny as you want. So did it work? Yes, my laundry came out really nice. I think the trick is knowing how big of a sheet you need to use. Like for a full load, definitely a whole sheet, or for a light load, either a half or a quarter. But I was pleasantly surprised. And let me see, all you have to do is go to www.earthbreeze.com. And the other reason why I like it is, you know, I'm a bargain hunter, right? Well, to get the bargain, you got to get that big jug of liquid detergent. Well, who wants to lug that around and lug it into the laundromat? So not only it saves weight in my van, and it saves space in my van. So I highly recommend these, especially if you're living in a car or whatever. Small spaces, these worked really good for me. All right, Miss Lucy, you want to say, what are we going to say? What are we going to say? She's going to say, see you down the road. She is a little shopper. She can't wait to get to Dollar Tree. You know that? She's like, let me out of the car. I want to go to the store. All right, guys, I thought I'd give you an update. And please, could you send me a card or a letter? Or send one to Miss Lucy. Miss Lucy on June 1st is turning 10 years old. Do you mind if I tell them your age, sweetie? You don't look it. You don't look a day over 8. No. She's my baby. Yeah, her birthday is June 1st, and last year I did a party for her, but this year I am so busy, I don't have time to do a party. So sad. Now, she's such a spoiled dog, but I will take her out for a hamburger. She really likes to get served, and we do have a few favorite restaurants that will actually serve dogs. Oh! All right, guys, we will see you down the road.